Hey guys, I'm Jody Fitz. Welcome back to the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. Carmela and I have a patriotic freeze pop to share with you.
It's red, white, and blue.
And here's how you can make it at home. Cut the greens off of 10 to 12 good-sized clean strawberries. Place them in a food processor or mini chopper and add honey and vanilla extract. Puree everything together well. Pour the strawberry puree into 4 paper-coated cups. Set a timer and let the strawberry puree freeze for an hour as your first layer of color. Then, evenly distribute 10 ounces of vanilla Greek yogurt into the cups as your second layer. Insert a wooden craft stick, set the timer again, and freeze for another hour. Now, add the blueberries into a mini chopper or food processor, add in honey and vanilla extract, puree everything together well. Evenly pour the blueberry puree into the 4 cups as your final layer of flavor and color. Return the cups to the freezer and freeze your popsicles for up to 3 hours. Once they are ready, simply clip the edge of the cup with clean scissors and peel back the paper cup. All right, guys, making freeze pops at home is just that easy. We hope you enjoy this patriotic treat. Carmela, what do you think?
It's delicious.
All right, guys, stay tuned. We have more great recipes coming your way soon.